Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are in the market for a new mattress, you are definitely going to want to check out this one from SURLUNKEYS.
If you've ever been nervous about purchasing a mattress online, I am right there with you. But when I say this was such an amazing experience, I mean it. It came all wrapped up in this box with everything you need to unwrap the mattress. And once you've done all of this, you just let it rise the recommended 72 hours. And when I say this is so comfortable. I am so impressed with this mattress. It has this amazing cotton layer and a cooling gel foam top. And look how amazing this memory foam is. It is so comfortable. It really is cooling. When I rub my hand across this mattress, you can really feel that cooling gel. It has great support with individual spring pockets and motion isolation in different areas. And it really has just been so amazing to sleep on. It is suitable for most bed frames, and we have the king size, and I just cannot say enough good things about it.
I truly think this is one of the most amazing mattresses I have ever slept on. It is such high quality, and I really think you are going to love it. And that's my point of view.